This is the Tineco GO H2O Sense Wet Dry Vacuum, a 3-in-1 machine that mops, vacuums, and cleans itself. Your wet dry vacuum comes with microfiber brush rollers and filters that are pre-installed on the main unit. Additionally, your GO H2O Sense includes a bottle of Tineco cleaning solution that eliminates bad odors and deep cleans hard floor surfaces in your home. Refer to your bottle of Tineco cleaning solution for the precise amount of solution to add. Once measured, add your cleaning solution into the clean water tank. For extra bottles of Tineco cleaning solution available in exciting scents, check your preferred retailer. Now that your Tineco wet dry vacuum is ready to go, put your foot on the brush head and tilt the handle back. Now click Start. Your GO H2O Sense will start on auto mode, where the advanced iLoop Sense technology detects messes and automatically adjusts suction and water flow for the perfect clean. This not only cleans efficiently, but extends runtime up to 25 minutes. Here's the iLoop Sense display in action, showing you the real-time progress of your clean. Red means debris is detected, while solid blue means the mess is cleared. On the GO H2O Sense, you can select between auto mode, max mode for full power, or suction mode, designed to pick up wet spills without putting down clean water. With enhanced edge cleaning technology, the GO H2O Sense reaches right up to your baseboards, like this. Once you're done, simply place the machine on the charging station and press the self-clean button. In less than 2 minutes, the brush roller and inner tubes are cleaned automatically. Now that the self-clean cycle is complete, remove the dirty water tank like this and dump and rinse the tank. Once the dirty water tank is emptied, remove the roller and filter to dry. The charging dock has designated storage pockets for these parts. To prevent unwanted odors or blockages, we have a few steps to effectively maintain your wet dry vacuum. First step, remove the filter from the dirty water tank. Wash with soap and water and dry on the dock. Replace filters every 6 months with a new filter. Second step is to clear any debris that's been left behind. Use the cleaning tool provided. Make sure to brush inside the tubes and pull any debris picked up. To clear debris behind the brush, simply remove the cover like this and take the roller out. Using the cleaning tool, make sure to clean this area behind the brush. Last step is to wash the roller with soap and water. Place on the dock to dry and replace rollers every 6 to 8 months, depending on use. When the roller is dry, simply reinstall the brush. If you have any additional questions, visit our website or contact our customer support.